Today, I'll show you how to center text on the page in Word. Whether you're crafting a formal letter, creating a flyer, or just want your document to look polished, centering text both horizontally and vertically can make a big difference. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can accomplish this with ease. First, let's talk about centering your text horizontally. This is the most common type of alignment you're likely familiar with. So, to get started, open your Word document and select the text you want to center. If you wish to center everything, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to highlight all of the text in your document. Once you have your text selected, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see a series of alignment options. Look for the center icon, which resembles a few lines of text aligned in the center. Click on it, and voila, your text is now centered horizontally on the page. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick way to do this as well. Simply press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on a Mac, and your text will center itself without having to navigate through the menus. Easy, right? Now, let's move on to centering text vertically on the page. This is particularly useful if you're working with a cover page or a section that needs to stand out with a balanced look. To start, navigate to the Layout tab at the top of your Word document. Once you're there, look for the Page Setup group. It's usually located towards the right side of the ribbon. In this section, you'll see a small arrow in the bottom right corner, often referred to as the Page Setup dialog box launcher. Click on this arrow to open the Page Setup window. It might be a small arrow, but it opens up to a lot of powerful tools. In the Page Setup window, you'll notice 3 tabs at the top: Margins, Paper, and Layout. Click on the Layout tab to access the options we need for vertical alignment. Once you're there, look for the section called Vertical Alignment. You'll see several options, but for our purposes, you want to choose Center from the drop-down menu. This action will ensure your selected text is centered vertically between the top and bottom margins of your page. After you've made your selection, simply click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully centered your text both horizontally and vertically on the page. Remember, centering text can not only improve the aesthetic appeal of your document, but also make it easier for your audience to read and understand. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in how your document is perceived, especially in professional or academic settings. If you find yourself frequently needing to center text, consider memorizing the keyboard shortcuts or adding the center icons to your quick access toolbar for even faster access. This can save you time in the long run, especially if you're working with multiple documents. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in centering text on your Word documents. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out additional resources for more detailed instructions. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing.